Hi and welcome to Smart Learning Point. In today's class, we are going to be looking at how to find the slope between 2 points. If you're given 2 points, we can actually find the slope. So we will be looking at 3 examples. We'll start with the first example. In this example, we asked to find the slope of the point A, 4, 6. So point A, 4, 6. In this point, the 4 is the x1, while the 6 is the y1. And for the point B, we're given 7, 12. The 7 is the s2, while the 12 is the y2. Okay, these are simply the coordinates of point A and point B. So if we need to find our slope, the slope has a formula. Slope equals to increase in y over increase in x. So we could write it like this: y2 minus y1 divided by s2 minus s1. Or another way to actually write this formula, we could say y1 minus y2 divided by s1 minus s2. So any of these formula you apply, you will definitely arrive at the same answer. So we're going to make use of the first one. So our slope equals to, so according to our points now, y2 is 12, so we write 12 minus, and y1 is 6, so 6 divided by, our s2 is 7, 7 minus, and our s1 is 4. So 12 minus 6 will give us 6, divided by 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So 3 can actually go in 6. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 6, 2. So we have 2 over 1 there. So our final answer for the slope is 2. We're done with example 1. So let's have a look at example 2 now. So in this example 2, we are asked to find the slope of point A, which is minus 1, 5. So at this point A, the S1 is minus 1, while the Y1 is 5. And for the point B, we are given 8, minus 3. So the 8 there is the S2, while the minus 3 is the Y2. So the formula for slope again, we apply that. Slope equals Y2 minus Y1 divided by S2 minus S1. Okay, so y2 in this case is minus 3, so write minus 3 minus, then our y1 is 5, so you write a 5 divided by, our s2 is 8, so we have 8 minus, so in this case our s1 is minus 1, so we need to put that minus 1 in bracket. So put the minus 1 in bracket. And so what we have now for the numerator side, we have minus 3 minus 5. That will give us minus 8. In case if you find it difficult to get the answer to minus 3 minus 5, you could do it like this. You're owing somebody 3 penny and you owe another 5 penny. That simply means that you'll be owing 8 pennies. So that is minus 8. So divided by, so the denominator side, remember bracket means multiplication. So if we say minus times minus, that's going to give us plus. So we have 8 plus 1 there. So if we continue, we have minus 8 divided by 8 plus 1 will give us 9. So in this example 2, our slope, which is the final answer, is minus 8 over 9. Okay, we've done a good job for ourselves. So now let's look at the third example, which is the last one in this series. Okay, the third example, we asked to find the gradient of the point A, A here is minus 5 comma minus 4. So taking the same idea that we've been applying earlier, minus 5 is the S1, while minus 4 is the Y1. So for the point B, we're given 2 comma 10. So our 2 is the S2, while our 10 is the Y2. So prepare your mind in advance. Gradient is the same thing as slope. So in case they give you find the gradient, it still means find the slope. So we apply the same formula. Gradient equals to y2 minus y1 divided by s2 minus s1. Okay, so equals to, in this case our y2 is 10, so we write 10 minus, so our y1 here is minus 4. We have to put that minus 4 in brackets. So put the minus 4 in brackets divided by our s2 is 2, so we have 2 minus, and our s1 is minus 5, so we need to put the minus 5 to in bracket. So minus 5 in bracket. Okay, so let's see. So bracket means multiplication, so we have minus here multiplied by this minus here will definitely give us plus, and so we have 10 plus 4 divided by, and for the down part, minus multiply minus again 2, we're going to have plus there, so we have 2 plus 5. And then for the numerator side, we have 10 plus 4, that will give us 14, divided by denominator side 2 plus 5, that will give us 7. So 7 can go in 7, 1, 7 can go in 14, 2, so we have 2 over 1 there. So our final answer for the gradient is 2. That's a good one. Well done. So we have come to the end of this series. So I do hope you enjoy this series. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in more of our lessons.